Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Wednesday, February 4th. Up first from Computer World, the U.S. Department of Energy reportedly rewrote nuclear safety and security rules to speed up small modular reactors to meet AI power demand. That report by NPR stated it had obtained copies of over a dozen of the new orders, which slash hundreds of pages of requirements for security at the reactors. The report also says environmental protections were softened, the threshold for accident investigations was raised, and the ALARA radiation standard was removed. From Network World, Microsoft has launched Maya 200, its second-generation AI inference chip for Azure. The AI silicon is designed for heterogeneous AI infrastructure in multiple environments and was specifically developed for inferencing on large reasoning models. Microsoft says it's faster than Amazon Trainium 3 and Google TPU v7 and 30% more cost-effective. It is deployed in Azure US Central with a preview SDK available. And from Computer World, France is planning to phase out American video conferencing tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams inside government agencies and replace them with a proprietary platform called Visio. The goal is to strengthen security and protect confidentiality in public communications by reducing dependence on non-European solutions. Visio was piloted starting last year and is now rolling out to about 200,000 government employees. Officials estimate license savings of roughly €1 million per year for every 100,000 users who switch. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.